Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smart band by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smart band, make sure that the battery level on your smart band is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your smart band. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Oh, I missed it, so let's go back. Come on. Settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. Okay. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. And here, select the reset option, and then tap on the checkmark to confirm and start the resetting process. Now let's wait until the process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.